How to fix KB5083769 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems. Installing April 2026 security update on Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. The first method you can try is install the repair version of Windows, then try to install the security update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. For this setting, click on Reinstall Now. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, the system will start checking for updates and download the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 automatically. Let the download complete. After download is completed, a Restart Now button will be apparent here. Click on this button and let the repair version install. Again, try to install the security update. The issue should be fixed. If the issue still persists, then try installing the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After clicking the link, you will reach this page. Find the file supporting for your system. For this, check your system type. Click on Start, go to Settings, go to System, scroll down and click on About. Here is system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system. Check yours and find the file compatible with your system. After finding the file, click on the respective download button. Click on the link having KB5083769. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on the MSC file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If the security update is still not being installed, then follow a trick. This trick has worked for many users, so follow it. First of all, launch services. Click on search, type services. Click on services. Scroll down to bottom and look for Windows Update. Right click on this service and select Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled. Click on the drop down and select Disabled and click on Apply. Click on Stop if the service is running and click on OK. Then go to the Windows Update settings. And turn off this option. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Close the settings window, close the services window, and now open File Explorer. Go to the drive where the Windows is installed. Then open the Windows folder. Scroll down and look for Software Distribution. Software Distribution, this folder. Right click on this folder and select Delete. Deleted. Close the Windows directory and restart your computer. After restarting, open the services window. Click on Search, type Services. Click on Services in the result. Go to the Windows Update service and right click on it. Select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic and click on Start if it is stopped. Click on Apply, click on OK. In the same way, right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service Select Properties, change the startup type to automatic, and click on Start if the service status is showing stopped. Click on Apply, click on OK. Close the services. Go to the settings window. Turn on this setting. Get the latest update as soon as they are available. And check for updates, which will be apparent here. If any problem still occurs, run System Files Checker and DISM command line tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator. Go to the video description, you will find the commands there. These are the commands given in the video description. Run this command at first. SFC SCANNOW System Files Checker command. Copy the command from the description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once completed, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command from the video description and paste into the command prompt. Then press enter on the keyboard. Wait for the process to complete. Once completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. In case any of the methods doesn't work, then you will have to perform in place upgrade. To perform in place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, download Windows 11. Let the page load, then scroll down to this section. Download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on this drop down and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now select the product language. Check the language of your system. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, go to Time and Language, Language and Region. Windows display language is the product language. For me, it is English United States. Check yours and select the same here. Click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Once downloading is completed, go to the download location, which is generally the downloads folder. Right click on the ISO file just downloaded and select Mount. On this pop-up, click on Open. Right click on setup.exe, select Open. Click on Yes on the USC pop-up and check this box on this window. This will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. On this window, for applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the security update. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.